Hi! In front of me is NOKIA X30 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this NOKIA device. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Sound Recorder. After that, you need to get this app from this developer, and when it's ready, open it. After that, select while using the app in the pop-up and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it or unpause it using the smaller one. In order to end it and save it though, click on the same big one again. Now you can rename your recording by holding it and choosing Rename section. Over here, type in wherever you wish to, and in order to save your name, choose Rename. Then, in order to play it, click on it. Start recording. If you wish to delete it though, you need to hold it. Click on this pin icon at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!